The Quickdraw digital video camera. With the Quickdraw, you never have to miss another video opportunity. This is the no muss, no fuss camera that fits easily in your purse or pocket. High-tech features like a flip-out USB connector, built-in memory, and plug-and-play functionality give the Quickdraw its name. With the included AA batteries, this camera really is ready to go right out of the box. The Quickdraw doesn't stop at just being convenient to use. It also sports some high-tech features, like a 2-inch color LCD and 5-megapixel picture taking. With hardware interpolation, it also takes 12-megapixel digital photos. And if you're planning an epic masterpiece, the Quickdraw won't let you down. It features an expandable memory card slot compatible with SD cards up to 2 gigabytes. The Quickdraw's sleek, simple design and generous imprint area make it a fabulous promotional product.